How are you doing, my friends? ¿Cómo estás? कैसे है? केम छो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೌಖ್ಯಮಾ? अपनी केमना अच्छे? So, I believe all of you are feeling very good this weekend. Well, somehow some things come to our mind. All of us are passing through this pandemic. Well, life has to go on, and we are all great optimists. Well, end of the day, जीने के लिए क्या चाहिए? खाना, भले अच्छा खाना, और बीमारियों को दूर करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? दवाइयाँ? यस, वेरी राइट, दवाइयाँ। और ये दोनों को लिए संभालने के लिए क्या चाहिए? और आपको ठीक से पहुंचाने के लिए और संभालने के लिए क्या चाहिए? पैकेजिंग, या सही पैकेजिंग। सो ऑल ऑफ यू विल एग्री, wherever you are in the world, any corner, any part of the world, for us to live happily, we need food, good food, and to keep us away from all these diseases, pandemic, what we need? Medicines, the right kind of medicines. And then to bring those food, all those food items and the medicines to us, what is actually required? Well, packaging, the right kind of packaging. You are very right. So I was just mentioning these points in one of my addresses almost around 8 years ago or so in a conference by Indian Institute of Packaging. So I thought, I happened to see that video a little while ago, and then I thought I must share with all of you, my friends, because most of the points are very relevant even after 8 years. So have a nice weekend, watch this video and enjoy the Sunday. Stay safe, take very much care, wear your mask, follow safe distance, keep washing your hands, and avoid big gatherings for some more time. Stay safe, my friends. All the very best. Take very much care. Bye bye.
Today, packaging cannot be seen independent of any product, right? It not only has become an integral part of any product, and also become a way of our life. It's just impossible to imagine our life without packaging today. I hope you all agree with me. It's a fact. Despite the economy is slowing down today, there has been a positive growth in food and pharmaceutical sectors in the current scenario. Today, Andhra Pradesh is ranked number 1 in manufacturing of bulk drugs, and also it stands third in manufacturing of formulations in the country. More than 1/3 of US FDA approvals, ma'am, are from India when you count the world count. And again, 1/3 of them come from our own Hyderabad, this Andhra Pradesh state. And Hyderabad is the pharma capital of India, and it really plays a major role in both in formulations and bulk drugs. Another important factor, ma'am, if you see statistics, by the year 2015, so almost $150 billion worth of drugs are set to lose their exclusive patents by year 2015. Where from all these be replenished? Here is a great opportunity for Indian generic drugs because of their low cost and also high quality. And which is the place which can take care of take this opportunity? Nothing else than Andhra Pradesh. Packaging obviously plays a major role in capitalizing this opportunity, certainly. The standards must match to the stringent US FDA regulations, and they have to incorporate various features like child resident features, track and trace features, and so on. So, updation of packaging technology is very essential to keep up the pace with the global demand. At the same time, in the food sector, there are enormous opportunities in fresh food, fruits, vegetables, and also processed food sector. While India is the largest producer of cereals and milk in the world, it's also second largest producer of rice, wheat, fruits, vegetables in the world. In other words, India can be called the food factory of the world, but there's a lot to be done here. Almost 50% of the vegetables and fruits are not getting really converted, and the valuation is not happening. They are getting wasted because of inadequate processing, inadequate storage, inadequate packaging conditions. So here is another opportunity. You all know AP has a major share, in all these resources. Here is an opportunity in the food sector also to grow further and to contribute to the economy of the country. And packaging obviously has a major role. My dear friends, I'll give you a small example. We all know the conventional sweets, laddus and halwas, mithais. You all know they can be stored for 6 days, 5 days, and that was the past. Today, Haldiram and even Pullaredi sweets, they can be stored almost for 6 months. Who is the man behind it? Who is the reason behind it? That is packaging technology. They are being packed in a regulated conditions with a high barrier property trace, and they are with leading seals with a high barrier properties. And also, they are placed, and even inside, the ethylene absorbent is placed inside the tray, which is sealed, and which enhances the shelf life of our very own conventional seeds from 6 days to 6 months, ma'am. It is actually printed. It can be consumed even for 6 months. Officially proven, it is tested. So I attribute to the success of the packaging update technology. So with this, the deliberations of this conference, certainly this is the main objective of this. The food and pharmaceutical sector, there is a focus. There is a lot to be done. Today's conference, definitely the deliberations during this 2 days conference provide solutions that cater to future trends and consumer needs. The conference further paved way to establish meaningful platforms to adopt successful strategies, keeping in view the increasing market and product requirements based on, of course, the consumer demands.